Hello and welcome to my course Angular Web Development in 2 Hours. My name is Baljeet Singh and I am going to be your instructor in this course. I am a freelance full stack developer and I occasionally write blog and create YouTube videos. So the course overview, what we are going to be learning in this course. So we will start with talking about Angular and how we can set up our development environment to work with the Angular projects. And then we will also talk about how we can install Angular CLI, which is Angular command line interface. In the next section, we will talk about how we can create our first Angular application and then how we can create the UI for our application by using Angular material and how we can make our application mobile compatible or responsive by using Angular Flex layout. In the next section of the course, we will talk about how we can connect our application to the backend and then fetch data from the backend using the REST API. In the next section of the course, we will talk about how we can make some adjustments or enhancements to our application, like by lazy loading the modules in our application so that we are only loading the data whenever it is required. And then we will also talk about how we can add progress bars or spinners and pagination to our application to make it more effective. And in the last section of the course, we will talk about how we can deploy our application to the cloud. And we are going to be using a service like Netlify to upload or deploy our application. So some of the prerequisites for this course: you should have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. You should have an understanding of JavaScript, ES6 or higher. You should also have some knowledge about TypeScript and some hands-on experience with Angular. So without further ado, let's get started.